Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about your unique value proposition, essentially what makes you different. And we're going to use our lemonade stand business as the example, as usual. So the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to go to the AI Cookbook Business Prompts ebook, and I want you to go down to ChatGPT prompts and value proposition. What we're going to do is the first thing we're going to do actually is we're going to go to the original business description, which is the lemonade description. We're going to hit Control C or copy, and then we're going to go to Chat GPT. We are going to paste what we have. And after you do that, I want you to hit Shift Enter so that you don't just give the program the description of the business. We have to put the question, if you will, into there, the box as well. And so we're going to go back to the cookbook and we're going to go down to value proposition. We're going to highlight this right here and we're going to go back to Chat GPT. Again, essentially what we're doing is we want to know what makes the business unique. We want to know what differentiates our business from the next lemonade stand down the street. What is going to make people want to come to us for our products and or services versus our competitors, the stand down the street. And so we want to make sure that we have our business description first and then put a space and then our question or what we want ChatGPT to tell us and then press enter. And so let's see what ChatGPT says about our unique value proposition. So the lemonade stand business delivers value to the customer in several ways. Firstly, it offers a refreshing and satisfying drink that can quench thirst and provide relief from the hot weather. So that's one. Secondly, it provides a range of flavors to cater to different tastes, which adds a variety to the customer's experience. That's two. Number three, it offers different sizes of lemonades, which allows the customer to choose the quantity they desire depending on their thirst level and budget. So the first paragraph is an example of 3 ways that you are different from the other business down the street. So I know there's more stuff. We're just going to copy everything. And then we are going to go back to our Google Doc or, whatever you're putting this information in, and we're going to paste it there. So real quick, let's do that. All right. So I went ahead and I created a Google Doc to put our information in, and we'll go ahead as we go through the videos and we will just populate this Google Doc. So the UVP or unique value proposition, what makes your business different, it differentiates you from other businesses. This is what differentiates our lemonade stand from other ones. So I've made the key points bold. Again, firstly, it offers refreshing and satisfying drinks that quench the thirst. Secondly, it provides a range of flavors to cater to different tastes. Thirdly, it offers different sizes of lemonades. It allows the customer to choose their desired quantity. So reading through all of this, the business, number one, helps to solve the problem of dehydration and thirst, especially during the hot months. The next thing, the business can offer a different bundle of products and services to cater to different customer segments. The third thing, the business satisfies the customer's need for a refreshing drink that is accessible, convenient, and affordable. And I think it just reinstates that issue or that point in the next key point. The value proposition, what makes them different, is it includes accessibility, convenience, and affordability. Now, you may say, well, other lemonade stands do the same thing. They offer accessibility, convenience, and affordability. All right, that's fine. What in those key points, those key differences, can you hone in and really make your business stand out? Like, how can you do that? That is the question. So if you have any questions on how to do that, if you have any questions on this information right here, why you would need a UVP, let me know down in the comments and we can discuss it further. Until then, I will see you guys in the next video.